Hey everyone, welcome back to Online Income Hub. Today I'm thrilled to introduce you to a game changer for all aspiring vloggers and content creators, the 4K vlogging camera for YouTube. Let's dive into what makes this camera a must-have. First off, let's talk about design. This compact and lightweight camera boasts a sleek white finish, making it not only stylish, but also incredibly portable. Whether you're shooting at home or on the go, it's designed to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. One of the standout features is its innovative autofocus system. This ensures that your subjects are always sharp and in focus, even when capturing fast-moving scenes. Say goodbye to blurry shots. Shaky videos can be a thing of the past thanks to the built-in anti-shake technology. This feature guarantees smooth and stable footage, enhancing the overall quality of your videos. Need to get closer to the action? The 16x digital zoom allows you to capture distant subjects with remarkable clarity, expanding your creative possibilities. Beyond photography, this camera excels in videography. With a 2.8-inch IPS screen and a convenient pause function, you can seamlessly pause and resume recordings. Plus, it supports recording while charging, ensuring you never miss a moment. And for those virtual meetings or live streams, it doubles as a high-quality webcam. Just connect it to your computer via the included Type-C cable. I honestly wasn't expecting to love this camera as much as I do, but it has completely blown me away. The video quality is insanely sharp and clear in full 4K, perfect for vlogging, content creation, or even family memories. Whether you're a beginner or looking to upgrade your current setup, this 4K vlogging camera offers a plethora of features to elevate your content creation journey. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, happy filming.